Today we're reviewing a mini chainsaw, 6 inches. And we're going to give it a nice close-up look and show you what it looks like and show you how this chainsaw will work. I'm going to have to go get a branch, bring it over, and cut that one down for you. As we open up the chainsaw, we get an instruction manual. Always good to read them. And inside is your chainsaw, your replaceable chain, a battery that is 21 volts, a spare battery, looks like a guard or a hook to hang up, your power bank, and a couple of tools to adjust and replace the blade. A dedicated plug, you're going to look for the power port, always in the center of these batteries. Sometimes they're a little difficult at first to find. And we're going to go charge this bad boy up. There'll be a red and a green light. It'll take about an hour or so to charge. You're wondering what this tool is? Right here, just by the trigger. You're going to press this in. It's plastic. It's going to snap in. Once it's on, it's got a hook so you can hang it. It's a guard against your hand so when you rub. The unit's got, looks like some lights over here. 3 colors, red, yellow, and green. It's got a nice grip, and on the inside where my index finger's at, right here, it's a safety mechanism that the trigger won't be pushed unless it goes in, and then it's going to trigger. Testing out the unit, I am only going to plug it in and pull the battery out. It snaps in. It runs, and the lights come on in full. For any information, check further online. This is a 6-inch chain for this unit. I'm going to show you how to change the chain. You're simply going to take the tool and you're going to place it on over here. You have a safety guard. It has a Phillips screwdriver, so you're not going to lose it or come off improperly. Don't lose the nut. Pull the guard off. There is the tool that's going to slide in and out to loosen and tighten. In order to put the chain back on, you're simply going to line it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this up, lefty loosey. As you see, it falls in. And we're going to make sure this lines in and stays into place. And we're going to tighten up. Don't over tighten, it's tight enough, and when everything is on, you're going to lift the cover, or you're going to just simply slide it on, it locks into place, and place on your nut. You can cut just about anything imaginable, and that's what we're going to go do right now. Cut trees and things. We have here something it's now wet. We're going to cut this down. Need to hold on to it. And there we go. Now I can get by. Really that simple. I'll do one more cut for you. Right here. Oh yeah. This is an awesome tool. Very easy to use, very easy to grip. It's something that you want to have in your gardening shed, a garage, gift for somebody, you name it. I hope you enjoy your 6-inch chainsaw.